Hi, is this seat taken?
Oh, no. You can sit here.
Thanks. It's such a nice day today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The weather is perfect. By the way, I'm Lars.
Nice to meet you, Lars. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Where are you from?
I'm from England. And you?
I'm from Norway.
Oh wow, Norway. I heard it's very beautiful.
Thank you. England is nice too. What brings you to the park today?
I just wanted to relax and enjoy the fresh air. How about you?
Same here. I like coming here for a walk.
So, Christmas is coming soon. Do you like Christmas?
Yes, I love Christmas. It's my favorite time of the year. How about you?
Me too. I love Christmas so much.
What is Christmas like in England?
Well, in England, we usually spend Christmas Day with family. We eat a big dinner and open presents in the morning.
That sounds nice. What do you eat?
Roast turkey, potatoes, vegetables, and sometimes Christmas pudding.
What about Norway?
In Norway, we celebrate mainly on Christmas Eve. My family eats rib that's roasted pork and we open presents at night.
That's different from England. We open our gifts in the morning.
Yes, I know. It's fun to learn about different traditions.
What's your favorite Christmas memory?
I think it's playing in the snow with my family. We always had a lot of snow in Norway.
That sounds amazing. We don't get much snow in England. My favorite memory is decorating the Christmas tree with my parents.
That's a lovely memory. Do you still decorate the tree?
Yes, every year. And you?
Of course, it's one of my favorite parts.
It's really nice talking with you, Lars.
Nice talking with you too, Emma. Maybe we can talk again another day.
Sure, I'd like that. And Merry Christmas in advance.
Merry Christmas to you too, Emma.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.